Okay. Where is that? Oh, here's the knife. So I got a package from Can't show it. Wait. From Kappa Cafe Studio. So that means this package it's from Mrs. H. Let me connect the microphone better. There we go. Okay. So if I'm not wrong, this is issue number 2 of Captain Orange. The Adventures of Captain Orange. Okay, because I'm a patron. Let's open this. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, I gotta be careful. There's a few stuff in here. This is starting to look good. Okay. Ah, we got Boulder Fisk. It's the other way around. Okay. So here, yep. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is the pin-up. That is not the all girls at the beach pin-up. Let me move all this. Okay. Okay. Let's start with the comic. Ah, Mrs. H. Look who I got! Oh yeah! Let's, let's open this. Okay, so let's get everything out first. Go. Okay, we got the comic. We got a nice card with Canina in it, and USGI, USAGI, Usagi, and of course Kappa Cafe behind. Let's get a close up there. Isn't that great? She looks great. She looks amazing. Canina from Canina is from. It's not coming. It's coming America. No, it's Black Ops. She's from Black Ops. Let's get the Boulder Fisk sticker. This is the Scoldered Fisk. And of course, we got the magnet for Lucky Star Wish. Give me a second. Be right back. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit. I have it in a place that made her a little like budge. But if we remove this, we put this on. There we go. We got winter version of Lucky Star. Ah, stay. Look at that. Doesn't she look great? Our Lucky Star. Nice. Oh my god, I need to put it in a place. Fix that later. And we got the comic. But before we open the comic, let's check the mini poster. Oh, there we go. The pin-up of the farm girl. I think her name is it Mia? Her name? Don't worry, we'll find out soon. Look at that. Yeah, that's a nice really art. The good chip. Let's do this. Oh, no, let's check it out. The comic. It's really well printed. Everything looks nice. All ages. Issue number 2. Does it have like a... Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It has like a mini poster in the middle. But before that, let's check this out. Okay, this is great. Captain Orange, space traveler, astro jack of all trades. Boulderfish, well-tuned relic of the golden age of space travel. Lucky Star, clever yet clumsy shell from a planet unknown. Let's go to the middle. Giant lady. I think her name is Mia. May. Oh my god, it's not Mia's. May. Or Maya. May. And we have a little bit of a poster here with May. We had, oh yeah, right. A little bit of promo from Ichi 5. Ooh, I probably butcher his name. He's the author of the Flork comics. The Flock. Oh my god. Butchered another name. The Flock comics. I remember reading this. But yeah, okay, back to the poster. This is a nice extra. Because you can read the comic on Global Comics. But you see this kind of stuff, you get it when you back the physical copy. Which is a nice touch. And of course you get the magnets, the stickers, and the mini poster. We got a little bit more promo from Mrs. H herself. Yep, my superhero power sucks. Yeah. So far, everything looks good. Everything looks well printed. Oh, look at that. Yep, everything well printed. I did notice some similarities with this, with the colonist here. It was like, where have I seen these people before? I don't know. It looks familiar to me, but I don't know. You know what? I don't know. I'm just seeing stuff where isn't. And we got the giant lady. If you want to read the story, you can go to Global Comics and check it out. Mrs. H has it there. Just look for The Adventures of Captain Orange 2. Look at that. Wait, this is extra. This wasn't there. See? This is good stuff. This is good stuff. There's more here than that was on Global Comics. Oh, spoilers. Focus. There we go. Oh, yeah, the ending. There's a little bit of. Oh, what is this? Free. Feel free to make copies and share the love. I'm gonna cut them. Nah, I'm gonna do. This is great. It's really great. Okay. Well done, Mrs. H. And thank you for sending my Patreon copy. Okay. The poster ones. I wish. Stay. I had to put it on a place where. But the camera has a good view of it. Yeah. So we got the poster, we got the comic, we got Boulder Fisk, Scolder Fisk, we got. Oh. We got the magnets, 4 Lucky Star, and of course we got a Canina draw made by Mrs. H. Everything, it's great. Thank you, Mrs. H.